Let's go over Tuesday's independent practice problem together. So you know the first thing we need to do is we need to put all of these numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my numbers. It looks like 70s are my lowest. So I have a 70 and I have a 72. My next numbers are 80s. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 80s. 5, 82, one of those. Any other 80s? We also have an 84. It looks like I have 2 of those. 88. I have 1, 2, 3 88s. Okay, let's move on to 90s. Are there any 90s? Yes, there's 1, 2. 92 would be the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 92s. Got a 96 and a 98 left. Okay, now that I've put my numbers in order, what's the smallest data number? Well, I drag that over to 70, so my smallest number is 70. My greatest number would be 98. My median, let's cross off to find the number in the middle. Save some time, we'll cross off 5 from each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 more. 1, 2 more. So I'm left with 88 in the middle. Now remember, it's not just 88, it is in the middle of that. So we'll have to add those two up and divide by 2, which will give us the same thing, which would just be 88. So it's in between those two. There we go. So 88 is my median. Now we're going to look at my lower set of numbers. Cross off 3 from each side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. My number in the middle is 80. Okay, and do the same thing for the upper quartile. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 92 is in the middle. So my upper quartile is 92. Moving on to the next slide. Now we are going to create. So over on the side here, you should see this median box. So the first thing we're going to label is our median, which is 88. So drag it over onto the number line. Place it above 88. Perfect. Then our lower quartile is 80. And we'll look at the red line to make sure that they're all lined up. And our upper quartile is 92, which you can see that I put on the screen. Then we're going to connect our quartiles. So from the first quartile all the way up till the third. And then we're going to draw a line through the middle, just like that. We're going to label our minimum number, which is 70. And our line goes from that lower number all the way up to that green box. And I'm going to recolor these black so you guys can see them a little bit better. Perfect. My maximum is my last one, which is 98, and I'll show you that in a minute. I know you guys can't see it, it's off your screen. So 98 is there. And then I'm going to drag over my line to finish my box and whisker plot. And again, I'm going to color that black so you guys can see that a bit better. So at the end, that is what your box and whisker plot should look